so I thought that I had messed up reinstalling the two halves of this together, and then I realized when I had it separated that it only works to move this when it's apart, and when I put it back together it's not. So I realized that what I was doing was I was closing it in the lock position while the latch is in the open position, and so it wasn't actually engaging the latch. So if I move this to the open position, then it'll line up into this slot here and properly latch together once two halves go back together. Now we got some proper locking going on.